In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the coolant temperature sensor on this BMW X5. This one is going to be located in the lower radiator hose. Let's get into it. Take this panel off. I'm just using some trim tool pliers. Pull the push pins out. Grab the panel, slide it off. Now at the base, you can see where the connector is. We're just going to push on the little lock on the side, release the connector. See, just push down like that. You want to make sure you do this while the engine is cold. You don't want it to be hot. You could get burned. You want to have a drain bucket underneath the vehicle right in this location. You could drain the coolant if you want to, but most of it's going to come out right here. On the two sides right here, there's tabs. You want to push on those tabs, grab the sensor, and just wiggle it up. At this point, our coolant system is drained, but you would have coolant coming out right now. You can see there's a O-ring right there. There's the old sensor. Take the new sensor and put a little dielectric grease or silicone grease on the O-ring, just so it goes in smooth and doesn't roll. And then take the new sensor, line this up. It only goes in one way. Click it in place. Take the connector, line that up, and lock that down. Put this cover in place. It's lined up. Push the push pins in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.